Greetings folks, in this lovely big box we have a Phoenix 2000 version 2. The Phoenix 2000 was one of the first models I ever bought. What was that, about 4.5 years ago. I set it up as a pure slope soarer and it was just brilliant. Fuselage is still going strong. I have it up above me with the ASW28 wings on it. I've never used a Phoenix 2000 with a motor. This is the version 2, which means there are some significant changes over the original Phoenix, so let's go and have a look at it. One thing that really impresses me about the Volantex company is that they update their models, and they are really nice updates as well. Quick unboxing. It's all pretty well protected with bubble wrap. One of the updates is this new shaped rudder, a lot more rudder area and a nice sort of solid little vertical stabilizer. And there are plastic hinges in there as well. Very nice. Horizontal stabilizer is a new shape, and there's a little bit more area, I think. Is that right? Yes, it is a different shape. And again, there are plastic hinges. And you can see decent carbon fibre reinforcing on the horizontal stabilizer and the elevator. This is the plug and play version, so we've got servos already installed, and we've got the new click-in wing mounting system, which is brilliant, much better than the old bolt on the top system, like I showed you in the Phoenix 1600. Got the centre of gravity marks there, very nice. Plastic hinges in the ailerons and flaps as well. So here's the fuselage, and it's that lovely PE moulded plastic, indestructible almost. Got the motor pre-mounted in there. That's one of those Volantex 1000 kV motors, I think. I'll confirm that later on. Feels a little bit stiffer than the old plastic. We've got a landing wheel as well. Servos down the tail. I like that. Excellent. Different shaped tail as well. FPV canopy and normal canopy. Metal joiner spars. Stickers, manual, and bits and pieces. We've got the prop and spinner, push rods, control horns, and a screwdriver. Look at these nice big control horns. They are beautiful. That went together very nicely indeed. It balances out with a 2200 sort of sitting back there, or a 1300 right up in the front. Good choices there. You can have a nice light floaty flight, or a bit more penetration, a bit more weight, I guess. Getting these wing clips to clip down properly was a bit fiddly. You sort of have to get a screwdriver in there and push it in to make sure it goes over the little catch that it has to clip onto. But much better than the previous bolt-on wing setup from the last version. Prop seems nicely balanced out of the box. There's no vibrations, which is great. Nice big air scoops there for a bit of cooling. I really like the servos down on the tail there. Nice short push rods, makes life a lot easier. The wing's beautiful. I think may just be the same shape as the previous Phoenix. Bit hard to tell really. But we're all ready to go out for a fly, and it's a beautiful, warm, calm day. Hopefully there'll be a bit of thermal activity out there. And these Phoenix 2000s make a fantastic slope soarer. One of the best airframes for a slope soarer. You don't need the motor. I've put a few of the decals on. I don't like putting all the decals on, and I like a little bit of asymmetry so you can pick orientation in the sky. But anyway, we're ready to go. Thanks for watching, and in the next video we'll go out for a fly.